Guys, I'm Oge and welcome to Farm Chef. Today we're gonna be making drum rolls, chicken stew. Stew virtually goes with everything from white rice to spaghetti, even you can eat it with okra soup. And I'm gonna be showing you guys my recipe today on how to prepare this delicious delicacy. Believe me, I prepared the best stew ever. This is my carton of chicken, and this is 5 kg, but I'll be using just half for a meal of 10. I'm going to be using 10 roma tomatoes. Then I'm going to be using 3 bell peppers, 2 habanero pepper, one is for the meat and one is for the stew. Then half of this green pepper. Believe me, this gives it a very unique taste. For the spices, we're going to be using a spoonful thyme. This is to spice our meat. Spoonful rosemary for our meat as well. Ginger, spoonful for our meat. Yeah, of course salt for taste. And I love this clubhouse mixed spices. That's roasted garlic and pepper. And then I have also I'm going to be using this garlic. Yeah, a spoonful of it as well. And let's not forget the stock cube. This is my chicken powder. No, this tastes good in food as well. And I have my knock cubes, that is bouillon cube as well. I'll be using 2 of these. Onions and ground oil for frying of the chicken that'll be poured into the stew. Get out the number of chickens you want. 3. Wash the chicken and transfer to chopping board. Transfer washed chicken from the sink to the pot. I like to cut my chicken into half, make it smaller and blend onions and 1 habanero pepper. Spoonful ginger, half spoonful thyme, ground bouillon cubes, spoonful chicken powder, teaspoon garlic, roasted garlic and peppers, teaspoon salt, cook in a low heat for